I decided to show my cat an AI-generated video featuring a duo of virtual cats singing a meow-tastic duet. The synchronized purrs and dance moves were crafted so perfectly that even I was impressed. But the true star of the show was my kitty. As the virtual cats began their performance, I watched my cat's ears twitch, tail flick, and eyes widen in pure fascination. Each meow seemed to draw her deeper into the screen, and her reactions were nothing short of hilarious. She pawed at the screen, tilted her head in curiosity, and even tried to join in on the duet with her own off-key meows. This feline performance was a hit with both of us. Want to see more adorable reactions and fascinating Meow AI content? Subscribe to the channel.